Here we are at Portishead Lake, and it's a beautiful afternoon. The birds are all relaxed. They don't know what's going to hit them in a minute. And the crazy gang take them out. The ramp is still working. It's all good. Oh, that was predictable. But you've got to go centre, otherwise it'll flip. I don't think it's enough. I doubt if it has. What's its top speed? Oh, actually. Oh, so you're back to a pusher.
Yeah, I took them the. I had some like streaks out the back. Seems to me
Actually, Paul, what we should be doing is doing the jet boats up by the clubhouse in the flat water. Right, give it a tap. It's all the best. Yay! Everybody ready? Ready. 3, 2, 1, go!
Who's just the struggler?
We're still all going. Come on. Hang on, get you right ready. 3, 2, 1, go! Alan missed it. Oh shit, I hit the shore! Oh shit! I ran a crack! Okay. Nice. Oh, definitely. Yeah, that's scale speed, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, it needs 2 more cells to get it going. In fact, actually, that isn't scale speed because it should plane. Yeah. Or at least semi-plane. So that's fully displacement sonar. Nice, Alan. Nice tack there. That was very good. Keep it sheeted in now once you move in. That's good. And then when you bear off. Oh. Yes! Two, one, go! Go, Richard! Richard! Oh, Richard's died!
Yeah, it's good.
Oh my God. Round the ducks and then round the ramp. Try not to upset the swans. Hang on, I'm going to rescue Richard, okay? We're doing a rescue. The purple, the purple boat has lost power. So I'm just looping him, just looping the rescue rope, and then we'll just pull him in.
What, around the propeller?
Well, yeah, or the rudder. Yeah.
All right.
There you go. Sorted.
That's very ingenious.
Magnificent. Otherwise, you've got to wait for it to drift with the wind. Here you go, Richard.
Thank you.
Okay, if you. Oh yeah, yeah.
3, 2, 1, go!
Go!
Mine's waterlogged.
Oh no, we've lost a boat. So we've got to come back round the ramp. 2 laps, okay?
Oh, very smooth.
Oh! Nice, listen out for Ava.
3,
Hang on,
2,
wait.
1, go!
That's more like it. Whoa, we're having a battle here. Whee!
Go in a straight line.
Right, I'm going to wait for you, Richard, and then try and overtake you again. Come on, a bit more practice in this. Yes, he made it. Oh, that was close. Oh, that was a racing turn. That was, Richard. That was. Oh, Dave's. Yeah. Right, now we're talking. Ava, when you're ready.
Go on, quick. Go on.
3, 2, 1, go!
The orange one's winning everyone.
Oh, I'm going to wait again.
Oh, it's just showing off.
Let's make it more of a race. Oh! Oh, he's upside down. Right, we're going to rescue him.
Flipping over.
How do we flip it over?
Yeah, I have seen that done before.
Capsize now.
Yeah, that's a capsize, yeah.
Looks like the lifeboats are standing.
A lifeboat is here.
What lifeboat?
The lifeboats are orange, aren't they?
Yeah.
This is great. You're actually allowed to ram another boat. It's marvellous. I love this bit.
Oh, nicely done.
One more push, Richard, and I'll be there. That's all right.
Right.
My own tow rope with it. It's in the prop.
Oh, so yours won't go either.
Oh, I reversed and it came undone.